In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate program on your Shopify store using the UpPromote affiliate marketing app. This setup helps you recruit affiliates, track referrals, and grow your store through affiliate marketing. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage your installed apps and browse for new integrations. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar and type UpPromote. From the search results, look for UpPromote Affiliate Marketing and click on it. This app is designed to help Shopify store owners create and manage affiliate programs directly from their dashboard. Now, click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions during installation. Simply continue through the prompts to complete the setup. After the installation is complete, head back to your app section and open UpPromote. Inside the app dashboard, you can begin customizing your affiliate program. Start by setting up your affiliate portal. You can change the affiliate portal URL to better match your brand identity if needed. Next, customize your store profile by uploading your logo and adjusting the appearance of your affiliate sign-up page. A professional-looking affiliate page can help attract more partners to your program. Now move on to the affiliate dashboard settings. This is the area your affiliates will use to track referrals, commissions, and performance. After that, head over to the commission settings. Look for the default commission section and click Change. Here you can decide how much commission your affiliates will earn for each successful referral or sale. You can also configure discount coupons for affiliates to share with their audience. Coupons are a great way to encourage sales while helping affiliates track conversions more easily. Once you finish adjusting your settings, save all your changes. Your Shopify affiliate program is now ready for affiliates to join and start promoting your products. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to start an affiliate program on your Shopify store using UpPromote. Thanks for watching and goodbye.